8th Standard Economics, Chapter 4 Government and the Economy. Exercises. First main, fill in the blanks for the following questions. First one, Planning Commission was established in the year dash. Answer is 1950. Second one, the 12th 5-year plan is implemented during the years. Answer is 2012 to 2017. Third one, India is among the dash largest country in the world in terms of GDP. Answer is fifth. Fourth one, the current rate of poverty in India is about dash percent. Answer is 22%. Fifth one, for many years, India's economic policy was dash oriented. Answer is people welfare. Let's move to second main. Answer the following questions in about 2 sentences each. First one, define planning. Answer is, planning refers to the deliberate actions of the government to systematically allocate and utilize available resources to achieve predetermined goals in the interest of all. Second question, list the prominent objectives of planning in India. The prominent objectives of planning in India are increasing the rate of economic growth, bring about modernization in the economy, achieve self-reliance, reduction in the quality of income and wealth. Development of infrastructure, development of financial institutions, balanced regional development, promoting private sector. These are the prominent objectives of planning in India. Let's move to third question. What are the major failures of Indian planning? The major failures of Indian planning are slow growth in production and income, prices continue to rise in every plan, increase in unemployment, persisting poverty and inequality, inadequate development of infrastructure, inefficient administration, increase in exports not as expected. These are the major failures of Indian planning. Let's move to question number 4. Describe India's economic situation during 1990 to 91. Answer is, during 1991, India faced serious economic problems. The huge deficit in trade balance, declining foreign exchange reserves, severe inflation, and very high budget deficit crippled the Indian economy and also life of the people. In this context, the need for reforming economic policy was widely felt, and hence the new economic policy was initiated in 1991. The new economic policy is also called as economic reforms, as these policies comprise of liberalization, privatization and globalization. They are also called as LPG policies. These are all about India's economic situation during 1990 to 91. Let's move to question number 5. List the major initiatives under the economic reform measures. Answer is a liberal industrial policy to invite foreign investment by privatization of industries and abolishing the licensing system. Second one, automatic approval for foreign direct investment (FDI) for many activities. Third one, a liberal import-export policy for ensuring easy exports of Indian goods and obtain the necessary raw materials. Reforming the banking and financial sector in accordance with the internationally accepted standards. Reforms in the tax structure for ensuring higher coverage of taxpayers and increasing the tax revenue. Last one, withdrawing and restricting government interference on investment and also privatization of public sector enterprises. These are the major initiatives under the economic reform measures.